Hello, former 5th graders that are now 6th grade students. Hope you guys are doing well during the pandemic and that you are enjoying Duval homeroom or brick and mortar setting, whichever you chose. If you'll look right along here, I wanted to show you just briefly, this is what happened to all those watermelon seeds that we planted in the cup when we went virtual last year. Now this is not a watermelon plant, that's actually one of those. It's called a fire bush that's growing off. That's what happens when the little spores and seeds get blown away by the wind. But the reason why I wanted to do this video and try to do a quick one is here's a watermelon.
Don't touch it.
And I'm not going to touch it because I just touched one and I knocked it off. So there's one watermelon and there's another one right down here. I'm just going to point to it and let my cameraman do the rest. And then there was another watermelon right here. And there could be more in here, but the problem is getting in there to find them. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you, I thought this is pretty cool. This is from those seeds. And just real quick, walk inside my pool area. I planted some tomato seeds after
stay there.
School was out. And these tomato plants are all from seeds. I think those are cherry tomatoes, and then these are your larger beefsteak tomatoes or whatever. But these two tomato plants are both from seeds. So I thought I'd give you that little update and say I hope you're enjoying 6th grade and have a good one.